Good morning all, CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Monday morning, November 21st. We are looking at Window Trader's market profile of the ES and SPY. So, shortened week, markets closed Thursday, half day Friday. Incredibly, Wednesday morning we have a couple of numbers coming out, right? ISM, this and that at 9:45 and 10, and then at 2 p.m. you have the Fed minutes, 2 p.m. the day before Thanksgiving. Nice move on their part. God forbid they put it out at 8:30 in the morning. Anyway, what's going on this morning? Well, we've been trading inside of Friday's range all day. But as soon as the futures opened up last night, look at that. Open, pushed right up to M's high, never got it and hasn't seen it since. We've been trading in the meat of Friday's range. We had a 10-wide point of control. We have, again, I'm in twos here or threes. Oh, no, I am in ones. So it's 15 wide here, up at 61 and a quarter. Now, again, Friday's low isn't the real important one because all we are is in balance. It's not like the daily is up. The real important one is last week's low, okay? That's what the bulls want to hold. You don't want to come back into balance on the weekly. It's one thing to get consolidation to daily. Certainly in the weekly, you want to stay up. Kind of a double distribution so far here in SPY. That's Friday night up to 8 p.m., and now this is this morning. As far as the other ones, real quick, same thing. Triple Qs, actually Triple Qs pre-market has taken out Friday's low. They're a double distribution in their overnights. And Russell, looks like they're not a double distribution. They have not taken out Friday's low just yet. SPY right now, overnight high is 396.33. Overnight low is 393.63. So game plan. Well, I would think there are good odds to see this market, if we don't get any acceptance below Friday's low, to trade at the 10-wide point of control from Friday and our 15-wide overnight. So if they can't get any acceptance below Friday's low, I would think we should see that. Now, can you take a short against that if we're to push up? Well, you could take a couple things. If depending on where we open in the next 75 minutes, if they push down and can't get Friday's low and come back above the opening, you can take a long to go get these 2 point of controls, right? That's one play. Then you see if it gets stuck in the mud, right? I wouldn't stay in it too long if they can't get any acceptance above there. So that's one call play. Another a short play is if it opens and pushes straight up towards these, gets them, right? They lock their targets onto that. Then they come back down and get below the opening. Again, you can take a short to go get not only the overnight low, but Friday's low. Again, early plays. If you open in balance in value, it is the worst of your risk reward. Okay? And then, again, just quickly on the chart. So here's what we're looking at. So here's the weekly. The weekly's up. So the bulls really don't want to take out last week's low. Okay? If they take out last week's low in SPY, which is 390.14, now you're coming back into a 3-week balance. What the bulls want to do is go and test this trend line with our lower highs on the weekly, right? That's what they'd like to do, take out last week's high at some point and go test that. If you test that, we're talking about getting up to around the 411, 413 level, which again is September's high. And then on the daily, here we are. I would call this a 3-day balance for now. If you come out of it to the upside, then the next destination will be the 15th high. You come out of the 3-day balance to the downside, it would then be the 10th low and then testing the large gap. Good luck trading today. Thanks for the likes and subscribing. And we'll recap at 4 p.m.